Hi, ako si William, isang tao may kapansanan. Kumusta ka, kaibigan? Isa ka bang kabataan na nasa iyong prime of your life na tinatawag? You feel like you can live forever, kaya mong gawin ang lahat ng bagay? Well, take note. Sabi nila, youth is lost in the young. Sana hindi ka maging katulad niya. Sana you make the most of your youth, of your strength, of your prime. Kasi hindi ka habang buhay na bata. Kung hindi mo naiintindihan minsan yung mga magulang mo, minsan may mga disiplina sila sa'yo na hindi mo nagigets, I pray that you still respect them. The Bible actually has this commandment wherein once we honor our parents, we will be guaranteed of a promise, and that's to live a longer life. It's the only promise in the Bible. It's the only commandment in the Bible na may pangako. So it pays to still respect your parents. O kahit hindi mo sila naiintindihan, o kahit hindi ka nila naiintindihan, they have reasons why they do what they do. So please trust them. Now, also learn to pray. Importante na as early, as young as you are right now, i-involve mo na si God sa buhay mo. Kasi sa mga pagkakataon na wala ng tao makakaunawa sa iyo, God is still there. Pinangako niya kay Joshua, ay pangako niya rin sa iyo. I will never leave you nor forsake you. Now, kung may mga pangarap ka pa that you wanted to fulfill, make sure na mag-aral kang mabuti. Ngayon yung panahon ng pagtatanim. And the way you do that sa estado mo ngayon is to study. And to study well. Ito yung trabaho mo eh. So pagbutihin mo na mag-aral, lalo na dun sa mga kabataan who are been blessed enough to have parents na kaya silang pag-aralin sa eskwelahan. So learn to study well, fulfill your dreams, offer those dreams to God, and then still make sure that you obey your parents. Bumalik din tayo doon, hindi ba? Hanggang sa muli, God bless you.